forward. Backlight. Okay, engine stop. We copy you down, Eagle.
Only 20 seconds remained when the magic words travelled 250,000 miles to Earth.
Listen, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.
It was 3:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sunday, the 20th of July, 1969.
Well, Space Panorama came about because I was invited by a festival in Northern England some years ago to create a piece of theatre using a table for a stage. And I thought, oh well, if you're going to use something so small as a table, you better do a really big story. And of course the biggest story I could think of was leaving the planet. So, and I remember growing up with the moon landings. I was 7 when I watched it. And I've always been fascinated by space, so kind of the idea of doing something about big space in a small space seemed like a fun idea. I got interested in physical theatre and dance as a teenager, basically because I was told by my drama teacher that I was a rubbish actor. And so I thought, well, I'm not going to be an actor. But then I realised I wanted to perform. So, and I think actually, to be fair, I'm probably, as a classical actor, I probably wouldn't really make the grade like other people. But I really like performing, and being physical allowed that expression to come out. And it also meant that I've always been my own author as well. So that's which now, you know, at the time you just do these things and you just get on and make work and hopefully make a living. And then when you look back 20 years later and you're still doing it, you go, blimey, I forgot to get a proper job. I forgot. So, I mean, it's actually rather fantastic that, you know, and then I'm generating a new work now, still on the hand, because I've been around hands a long time, and I'm a hand model as well, you know, with TV and things. And I'm now making a piece about people with impairments in their hand, you know, some from stroke. You know, someone with stroke will hold their hand like this, and or arthritis. So, and what it feels like to have a hand that doesn't function, because I'm so used to having one that does. So it's called the articulate hand, and it'll be a kind of about what it is to have a hand.
Here we are. 30,000 light years. 176,340,000 miles from the center of our galaxy, revolving around an average star called the Sun. This galaxy is only one of billions. Yet, in all this vastness, this is the only place I know of where I can breathe.